This is kinds of pollination. Types of pollination. Pollination is of two types, that is self-pollination and cross-pollination. What is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of the pistil. What is self-pollination? Self means self. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower. This is one flower. Here the pollen grain comes from the flower to the stigma of the same flower. The pollen grain from the flower comes to the stigma of the same flower. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of the same flower. The pollination occurs between the only in this flower. Same flower is it is called as self-pollination. Same plant, same flower, self-pollination. Only in one flower. This is self-pollination. What is cross-pollination? Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of different flower of different plants. Different flowers of different plants. Of same species or different species. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of different flower of different plants of same species or different species. These are two plants, same species, same types of flower. Here, this is also cross pollination. Different plants but same species. Here, different plants but different species. Different plants, different species. Types of flower also different. Here, types of flower is same species. What is cross pollination then? Cross pollination is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of different flower of different plants of same species or of different species. Here variation is found, but in self pollination no variation because it is self pollination. No genetic difference found here. Here genetic difference found, so variation is found. This is cross pollination. Cross means two. Cross means two. Two different plant. Cross. What is cross? Cross means two. This is a cross. This is a cross. Means two. Two different plant. One plant, two plant. Cross pollination. The pollination occurs between two plants. This is 1 minute. Types of pollination.